Welcome to NextWorldCommunications. In this short tutorial, we'll show you how to update the price of an inventory item using LIVEPOS360, our smart POS system trusted by businesses like yours. To begin scanning an item, press or click in the white open space next to the barcode image icon. When you see the cursor blinking in that section, you can scan the barcode of the item whose price you want to change. Once you scan the item, the barcode will appear in the barcode search field. Now, let's look at the first way to change or update the price of an item permanently in your inventory. Number 1. Locate the column where it says Price for your item. Number 2. Click on the price of the specific item you'd like to change. Number 3. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter the new price for your item. Number 4. Enter the updated price. For example, $8.99. Number 5. You'll see a checkbox labeled Remember the Price. Check this box to save the new price permanently. Keep in mind, this updated price will remain the permanent price of the item until you change it again. Number 6. Click OK to confirm. Once done, the item price has been updated. This process is often referred to as changing your price on the fly, because it can be done during the process of checking out a customer's transaction. Now, if you scan this item again, you will see the updated price, $8.99, displayed. Let's look at a second way to change the price of an inventory item through the backend. Number 1. At the top left of the navigation menu, click on Manage. Number 2. Then select Inventory. Next, tap or click on Inventory again. Number 3. Click inside the barcode search section, the white box. Once your cursor is blinking, scan the barcode of the item you want to change or update the price of. Number 4. You'll now see the item you just scanned within the inventory. Number 5. At the top menu, you'll find a pencil icon labeled Edit. Click it to start the change process. Number 6. Locate the field for standard price and click on it. Number 7. At the top left, tap the keyboard icon. This opens the calculator. Number 8. Enter the new price, for example, $7.99, and click OK. Number 9. On the top menu bar, click the Save button to keep this price change permanently. Number 10. Close the inventory window, scan the item again, and you'll see the new updated price is $7.99. Keep in mind, this is the second way to permanently change the price of an inventory item. And that's how simple and easy it is to update the price of an inventory item using LIVEPOS360. Find out how your business can start using LIVEPOS360 today by calling our office. We offer free equipment and free training to help you get started smoothly. Visit us online at NextWorldCommunications.com for more information. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Feel free to contact us anytime at 877-331-0757, extension number 1 to speak with someone from our sales department, or extension number 2 to reach our operator. And don't forget to follow up on social media for updates, tips, and new updates from NextWorldCommunications.